I've been seeing two things all over my For You page. Buffalo chicken wings and birria tacos. So I decided to make the best of both worlds. Because I'm Loki Hannah Montana. I made buffalo pulled chicken tacos. Super easy, delicious, simple, and quick to make. I literally made this over my lunch while I was working from home today. I took some chicken breast, marinated it for at least half an hour before I fried it on the pan. While that was marinating, I was thinking about how much I absolutely, with my whole heart, hate Mondays. Why are Mondays not illegal? Anyways, once the chicken was fully cooked, I set it aside and shredded it. In that same pan, I added some onions, added the shredded chicken back in, some Frank's buffalo hot sauce, I added some sour cream, salt, pepper, and some sugar. Once the chicken was fully cooked in that sauce, I took out the chicken, and in the same pan, I just toasted my tortillas so I get a little bit of that char and a little bit of that buffalo taste. Added some cheese, the shredded chicken that we made, some coriander, some onions and peppers if you wanted. And that's pretty much it. Just add some ranch on the side or some sour cream, and there you have it. Buffalo pulled chicken tacos. I swear, tacos are the best invention ever. Everything you want in one little tortilla.